And so, girls, or you want to come buy ice cream?
What kind of ice cream do you have?
Chocolate cookie ice cream.
Chocolate cookie ice cream?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
How does it taste?
Good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
And what do you want everybody to do?
Want ice cream.
Subscribe to your YouTube?
And this ice cream truck.
And the ice cream truck?
Huh?
Okay, say see you later.
See you later.
Hello guys, so today we're going to be doing a blind taste test. So I have two different ice creams right here, and she's going to try to figure out which is which, basically. So let's get into it. The first one that I'm going to give to her, eyes closed. I hope she's not peeking. Oh, wait. So I gotta play with it a little bit because I kind of feel like she don't know what is what.
Is one paper clear or no? They both white?
They both clear.
Oh.
So, yeah, just keep your eyes closed. Hold on, guys. Oh, this is, yeah, one of these is giving, okay? I got a feeling you gonna know.
Oh, they look different? So it's a huge difference?
It's not really a huge difference, but it's a difference. If she know the difference, then I'ma know she cheating. Like her eyes not really.
But if I know the difference, it still matter if the flavor the same.
Oh, the flavor?
Yeah.
Okay. So a blind
Taste test to see if they basically taste the same.
Okay.
Like, should you get this one or should you just keep getting this one, basically?
Okay, now I'm finna give you the first one. You ready?
Yeah. That's the first one.
Why do you like?
Why that first one taste like mint? You eating one too?
Nope.
Okay. Oh, you go with the other one.
Yep.
Yeah, a cheap one. Little Oreo. Just the Oreo brand.
Okay.
Or,
You want to hand this one back to me and then try the other one? And then you going to see which is which. So here's part 2.
I ain't finna hold you. That one wasn't really Oreo-like. This one off the rip is heavy. Okay. Yeah, I want Oreo. For sure.
What, the first one?
This one. It's Oreo?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. You can tell that one. No.
So why did you say that this one was Oreo? Why did you say when you first?
No, I said this one wasn't Oreo.
Oh, I thought
it don't taste nothing like
I thought you said it definitely.
Yeah, I'm
was
like,
Oreo.
this definitely not Oreo.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay. I
no,
thought you said it was
that's
Oreo.
definitely-
Okay,
This was
look, so I'm about to try this Klondike one because see how it came with this little thing on
Oh,
here?
it look elite. You showed them?
Yeah, that's why I just did like this, but I didn't show that part. Like, remember when he was like, is it both clear paper? I said that because I was kind of thinking like, the Oreo one come with the clear paper.
No, I thought some Klondike, some drumsticks come in clear.
Yeah, the Oreo one did, but not the Klondike. It came like this. Like, it had the little thing on the top, but I'm about to try this.
I hope that Reese's one good. But yes. It's immediately. That's why I was like, what, didn't I do that? It's immediately.
Yeah, it don't taste like a Klondike.
That's like nothing really.
Yeah, it don't.
Like, you only get
don't
the
even
texture.
taste the chocolate.
Right, you only get the texture of that. So I'm like, what the fuck?
Right, hold on.
But mind you, didn't say new, y'all. Didn't say new.
Why it don't taste like nothing? You sure slamming that one. Damn, oh, get this fucking
This the
get
one.
this other one. Cause you didn't throw that one.
I thought when I was eating mine, you was gonna be eating one. That's why I said you eating one too.
No, I wanted you to do it first, just to see, which was which. Let me try this one, but look.
What?
She done the whole thing.
The thing crispy. You want her other one?
He can do the Reese one.
You want her other one? This hers. You know what mine? You want that one?
Oh, I see what you're talking about.
Immediately,
Right.
Oreo.
What's
Mind you,
my
them
name?
Klondike was $10. Them Klondike was $10 at the store by my house. Oh, he got that Snicker container.
Yeah, I like this one better.
Right. I'm with them finish these, and then we'll come back.
Part 2, tap in. Hoover Deuce.